In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Booking.com listings to Guesty. Guesty Lite makes it easy to manage communication, rates, and availability, all in one place, by linking existing Booking.com listings and automatically importing future reservations. To get started, please make sure Airbnb listings have been imported into Guesty. Set Guesty as your connectivity provider on Booking.com. And finally, any listing you want to link to Guesty must have some availability for at least 90 days into the future. Once approved on Booking.com, you can start the linking process in Guesty. Sign in to Guesty and click Channels. Then, select Booking.com. Click Connect to Booking.com. Enter your Booking.com property ID in the pop-up and click Next. You'll see your Booking.com listings. Now, match each one to the correct Guesty listing using the drop-down under Guesty. If you're connecting a complex, connect each Booking.com room type to a specific listing in Guesty. Now, click Connect Listings, and that's it. Your listings are now linked. All future bookings will automatically import into Guesty, letting you manage everything in one place. To finalize this process, ensure your taxes, cleaning fees, and any other configurations on Booking.com match those in Guesty. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.